My name is Elaine Boland, and I had a total left knee replacement with Dr. Sayeed.
I'm Michael Boland, and I've had both knees.
And I was getting injections so that I could walk normally, and my PA had worked with Dr. Sayeed, PA Dusenberry, and he said, Elaine, these aren't working anymore because you're not walking very well. And I said, I know, I was falling quite a bit. And I said, I really would like to get it by a military doctor. And he goes, well, Dr. Sayeed is somebody that I worked with. He was military, now he's private practice. He said, he's really good. And I said, done.
And at that time, I had already met Dr. Sayeed, and we were working on getting my first knee done. And Dr. Sayeed had been recommended by my PCM. My pain was really bad. I had a lot of pain for many years in my left knee, and it was just steadily getting worse. So we decided time to do something, and then we went to see Dr. Sayeed and did x-rays and discovered that, yep, the other one needs to be done as well.
We both agree it was worth it to live pain-free now, and then to be able to move without canes. We were both on walkers. We were both on canes. He was falling, he would come out and stand on a stair before the knees were done, and he would just tip over into the whatever and the rocks. And so, yeah, it was horrible way to live. So.
The only thing I can say is trust Dr. Sayeed. He knows what he's doing. Believe him, do as he says, and you will be great.
And I agree the same thing. You kind of hesitate a little bit because you don't want to undergo an operation, and it's a little apprehensive, but Dr. Sayeed holds your hand all the way through, and he's there, and he's answering your questions, and he changes things that they need to be changed, and he's all about your health and getting you back to normal, and he's a wonderful man.
The entire staff is great. Loved and trust them all with everything they did for us during the whole process.
Very efficient, all of the people that worked in the office. So thank you, Dr. Sayeed.